data center is a technical facility that houses an organization's IT operations and equipment, where it stores, manages, and disseminates its data. Data centers house a network's most critical systems and are vital to business continuity and operations. Consequentially, the efficiency, optimization, reliability, and security of data centers and their information are of importance to today's businesses. The data center may vary depending on its primary function, but typically it is supported and managed by one of the following four categories. Enterprise, multi-tenant data center and co-location facilities, hyperscale and cloud, carrier and service provider. Within the data center, the following technical spaces and subsystems are managed by the operational staff: physical security systems, network and IT systems, power resources, environmental control, performance and operational management. These subsystems can be translated into the following challenges: risk management, network migration, power optimization, thermal efficiency, DCIM enablement. This video will provide an introduction to these environments and challenges of the data center. Physical security in the data center is addressed with macro segmentation using a 6-layered approach. The perimeter is the first level of defense. The clear zone. The facade and reception. The service corridor. The data hall. The data cabinet. The network, IT, and structured cabling systems in a data center commence at the entrance room and carry through to the main distribution area, horizontal distribution area, and then to the equipment distribution area. The intelligent power chain that is critical to the data center operation includes the medium voltage entrance feed from the utility, backup generators, battery rooms, UPS systems, underfloor and overhead power distribution cabinet-level metered and monitored PDUs, and finally, leading to managed IT equipment power. Environmental control of a data center facility starts with the chiller plant, then leads to the computer room air conditioning and handling units, into the data hall with managed airflow to cool the hot zones via a number of contained cooling technologies to meet the specific requirements of varying IT loads that generate temperatures that need to be managed carefully. Finally, this unique technical operation requires data center infrastructure management processes that deal with asset management, power monitoring, environmental monitoring, change management, and capacity planning to ensure that maximum uptime, scalability, and performance is
the data center. A lot has changed in recent years. Apps became distributed services, servers and storage got virtualized, and then came cloud computing. Economies of scale made larger, shared pools of resources inherently more efficient, and yet, the data center network lagged behind. As it grew, it got exponentially more complex. And there you are, trading off user experience for cost containment, waiting for this complicated mess to get better. Not to mention the whole issue of security. Meanwhile, the solution is right there in front of you. Make the data center network behave like a cloud. Pool and share resources, reduce complexity wherever possible, and automate functions as much as possible. This is where Juniper's new network data center can help. Whether you're running your internal IT as a cloud or plan to connect with public cloud services, Juniper's 3-2-1 data center network architecture will transform your current data center network today to become cloud ready for years to come. First, simplify. The key is to move beyond the complexity of legacy network architectures. With Juniper technology, you can consolidate security systems on the network. And by employing Juniper's virtual chassis fabric technology in the access and core tiers, you can significantly improve server-to-server communications. This allows you to collapse inefficient tiers, and with our powerful edge service routers, you can connect to other data centers and clouds. For some, 2 tiers simplifies the network, but for others, you'll be in position for the next big step, Q-Fabric, a technology that flattens and simplifies the network by allowing multiple devices to act as one. It provides the scale and resiliency of a network and the performance and simplicity of a single switch. Of course, then there's the operating system. Just use one, Junos, across it all. Your configuration and management just got a whole lot easier. Next, Junos Space helps you automate. It's a web-based open platform for network applications. Out-of-the-box and custom Junos Space apps let you quickly and accurately tasks that used to take more people, tools, time, and money. With a single graphic interface, you can do one-touch provisioning to connect users to your network, drag and drop policies to provide secure services, orchestrate physical and virtual networks, prevent problems proactively before they happen, and easily connect multiple data centers using powerful MPLS technology in just a few clicks. Of course, to be cloud-like, you need to share resources across your data centers. How? Don't think physical partitioning. Think logical partitioning for organizations, departments, and even tenants. We recommend a simple yet powerful combination of VLANs, VPNs, and security zones to partition the network and enable dynamic sharing. Not just within the data center to connect user communities, but also extending across the wide area to connect multiple data centers. Finally, the cloud must be secure. After all, this is about giving users access, not keeping them out. Think less castle and moat and more like a hotel. Everyone has a key, and you set access policy to the right areas, devices, and applications. To make this happen, Juniper offers a wide-ranging security portfolio that includes defense in depth for the physical and virtualized environments of the data center. That's it. Simplified, automated, shared, and secured. Sharing resources for improved economics and improved experience. The new network data center, built for